Today we learn about data types. A data type in C++ describes the type of data that a variable can hold. The language has various built-in data types, such as integers, used for storing whole numbers. They can be either signed or unsigned, and can range from -2 to the power of 31 to 2 to the power of 31 minus 1 for signed integers, and 0 to 2 to the power of 32 minus 1 for unsigned integers. Examples include int, short, and long. Example: floating point numbers. These are used to store decimal numbers. They can be single precision, float, or double precision, fixed. Double. Float and double are two examples. Example: characters. Characters are used to store single characters such as letters, numbers, and symbols. They are denoted by single quotes. Example: booleans are used to store true or false values. The terms true and false are used to denote them. Bool is an example. Example: there is also some further information. Thanks for watching.